Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. I hope you all had a lovely weekend. Welcome back to Science Lesson 1. Today we are going to start a new unit. It's about making sounds. Isn't it interesting? I'm so excited. Let's have a look. What are you going to learn in this lesson? Here, in this lesson, by the end, you will be able to learn different sources of sound. This is what I'm going to explain you sources of sound. And then you will also know that we use the sense of hearing to listen different sounds. Yeah, that's right. You all know what are five senses, don't you? So this is all about your sense of hearing. Very good, grade 1. Let's move on to the next slide here. What's that sound? I have different transports here. I want you to listen to the sound and identify the correct transport. Listen to this one. Use your sense of hearing. Here we go. Okay, so what's that sound? A. It's a car. B. It's an airplane. C. It's a bicycle. What is it? Think about it. If you said it's a car, it's a correct answer. Well done. So, here, the source of sound. As I told you, I'll explain you what are sources. Source of sound is the car. Source means from where the sound is coming. So the sound is coming from the car. So car is the source of sound. Let's have a look at the next one. What's that sound? Can you choose the correct instrument that makes the sound? Is it a boy? Or a doorbell? Or the door? What do you think? Well done, it's a doorbell. Good job. So here, what is the source of the sound? The doorbell is the source of the sound because the sound is coming from the doorbell. Something that makes sound is called source of sound. Let's have a look at the next slide. Are you ready to listen? Would you like to listen again? Oh, can you choose the correct animal that makes this sound? Snake, frog, or a bird? Listen again if you would like to. Well done, it's a snake. Wonderful, grade 1. Let's move on to the next one. What's that sound? Can you choose the correct animal? Let's listen to this. Ooh, did you hear that sound? Let's listen again. Oh, which animal does that sound, makes that sound? A cat? Cow? Or a dog? The answer is, if your answer is cow, it is a correct answer. Good job, great work. You guys really got good sense of hearing. Now, as I told you earlier, something that makes sound is called source of sound. It means the sound is coming from that particular thing, from that special thing. All right. Now, this is a fun part for you. You have listening walk. This is a special task. you are going to test your sense of hearing. You can copy and save this paper and print it out. Go around your house, take a walk, and listen to different sounds. Can you hear something? Please write for me what sounds you heard while you walk. And then places you went to listen to these sounds. Use the link in the PowerPoint. Don't forget there is a research work for you and some extra videos and resources that you will enjoy doing. Have a look at the PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Assalamu alaikum and see you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.